Let's quickly make this roulette spinner and export it as a real iOS activity indicator. Here's a neat technique. We want these dots to bounce in and out. The main thing that we need to do is position them. So we create another shape, we overlay it, rotate it, and then we just position things against that shape and get rid of it afterwards. And then we create a second artboard where these are all at the center. And that's all we really need to do in our design file. We import, we create a group in Flow, and then we animate the in and out effect first, and then in between, all we're doing is rotating a group. And we play with the timings, the easings, and we get the feel of it down. And when we're happy with that, we hit export. Look at that. Look at all that code that we don't actually have to write. And it's going to be expressive for the thing that we just created. Launch it in the simulator, make sure that it works, and voila. That's ready to ship.